What's up, everyone? Today is day 28 of the 30-day drum meditation. Wow, man, I can't believe this journey's actually just gotten so far. Yeah, it's quite something. I'm quite stoked. This is the first time I've done something like this, so really enjoying this and really stoked. I'm Steven from Drum Above. Let's get into this. Yeah! Right, good people, so this is what's going to be the playing style today. It's going to be nice and easy, beautiful in fact. It's one of my favorites. Just as a calm, relaxing hit. You're literally going to be playing together, no flamming. None of that. None of that. Needs to be together. 8 notes, 16 notes. 1 bar, 8 notes, 16 notes, alternating. Now, you're going to tell me like, Steven, this is too easy, but you try, focus on this, where we've been focusing. Let me rephrase that. We've been focusing on like, five-a-diddles, left-hand five-a-diddles. We've been doing like paradiddle diddles, we've been doing combinations, a little bit more technical stuff. And then even a bit more like dynamics. Now I want to focus something where it's more about simultaneous hitting, and then splitting the hands and still keeping those sticks open and letting the sticks sing. Let that stick sing. If you have been keeping up with the videos of yesterday and stuff, you kind of be like, oh, well, that was kind of a little bit of foreshadowing. So anyways, let's hit it up. Let's get into this beautiful day of life. Reminder, 1 bar, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and then 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a alternating, and that's it. That's as simple as it gets, guys. Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Now the idea is to try to release the stick as much as you can. Try to let it go back as far as you can. Now, you can hear the sticks are kind of singing. You don't want this. You want to open up your hands, so don't hold. Release your hands. Sorry. Release your hands as much as you can. Take 2. Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Now the goal is here, guys, try to get as big a hits, but without actually using the arms, just wrists. I mean, obviously there's a little bit of movement, but I want the sticks to be flying back. And don't try to hit as hard as you can. Listen to the sticks sing, let it sing. Let it sing, bro. Let it sing. Not. Don't want that sound, bro. Something else to watch out for? It's flamming. So. Can you hear it's like not equal? Try to equalize those hits. So same stick height. Try to sit maybe in front of a mirror or a video camera that shows you what you're doing. And now just relax. Enjoy the moment. Try and get that left hand up. Or should I say weak handed for the left hand players. Okay, so now breathe in on the 8th notes, out with the 16th notes. Don't be shy, guys. I'm doing it on YouTube. You're doing it at home. We know, like, what? 2 people are noticing? Or maybe no one? So, in through the nose, out through the mouth. So, out. Now you don't have to exaggerate it, but you get the idea. So I want you to relax into that. Alright, dudes, this is where I'm gonna end it. So 2 bars. 1. Oh, 2 repetitions. 2. That's as simple as it is. Nice chilled one, guys. Just for an exercise for the extra little part here. You can actually increase this because this really builds quite a bit of strength. So let's push. So that time. It's a good way to build just natural speed and understanding what you're playing. Because 8th notes you can play it quite high, but then for some reason everybody freaks out at that 16th notes. Well, that's 30 seconds, but 16th notes they start freaking out and they're like, oh, it's too fast, or oh, it's too fast, or that kind of thing. You're like, ah! But if you're just doing 8th notes, you kind of have a better understanding of the timing of what you're doing, and also forces your left hand to stick with you and keep it open. So how you go, don't grip harder. So relax. So 4. So you can get a little bit higher. I mean, that was 140. 3, 4. So you're still trying to get those big hits, and you're trying to relax the hands and go big. So let's see if I can push it to 180. Starting to feel it. I noticed I was doing a few flams. So 180. There we go. Ah! See, switching back there, I lost it. about 210 is where I started to like lose volume, and they're still kind of together, but I feel a little bit phasey, like when you have a little bit of mic phasing, and then when I go back, and then back, I'm finding I'm slamming there. So 210 is where I got to start working on that. I think I can go a little bit I can go a little bit faster with my natural 16ths, but control is what I'm trying to search for. And also I found my volume wasn't up; it was more down here, not up here. Now, obviously, when you are playing faster, you're not going to get as much height with certain speeds. That comes with time, because you want to still keep it loud. That's a whole idea behind the mono technique and so forth. But that's a different story and a different method. But anyways, I hope this is also not only a great meditation exercise, but an exercise for you to build your left hand and right hand by understanding, to help your left hand understand, oh, this is what I've got to mimic and mirror, and then take its own journey and check itself again. Check your left hand or weak hand, right hand, whatever. Depends on you. And then mirror again once it's like, okay, cool. And you can even do it for 4 bars, one and do it like 4 bars, and then switch it over to that. So you can actually play around quite a bit with this. It's quite a simple exercise, but it can be utilized to great results. All right. Thank you so much for joining, and I hope you took a lot from this, or at least something from this, and have an amazing day. I'll see you for tomorrow. I'm Stephen from Drum Above, and this is 30-Day Drum Meditation.